Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video we have already discussed in detail about text command. Now in today's video we are actually going to discuss hyperlink command. So now let's get started. We will start from its uses, its importance, and then we will execute this command. So first of all, specify your units and limits, as I always say. Write inches from here and just click on OK. Now specify your limits. The first limits are always 0, 0. And then I'm going to give 100 by 100. Now as you can see, as I have specified my units and limits. Now we use hyperlink command when we have to put some extra information in our workspace and we don't want it to be visible in our workspace because it's not that important. We will provide a link, and if the user concerned with it, he will open it and read it from our drives. So that's its use. For example, if you are working in a city map and you don't want you have drawn many kind of roads and you don't want to the details of roads to be here, then what will you do? You will provide an extra link which is called hyperlink, which will be provided by you, and then if the reader wants to read that hyperlink, he can enter and read it. So that's its use. And now let's go to execute it. For example, I want to draw a rectangle here. As you can see, this is rectangle command, and I want to just give 50 by 50 like that. I have given 50 by 50 feet, as you can see. Now I want this I want to give some extra information, like I want to give some kind of Word file here, some kind of Excel file or anything else. I just go to here, insert, and at the end there's a hyperlink command, and the short key for this command is Ctrl K. And now what he is asking to select the objects. I'm just going to select that object, and now I'm pressing enter. If you press enter, a dialog box like this will be open, and actually there are many kind of things. As you can see, you can add different kind of things here. You can see, you can browse a file for a file in your computer. You can also give a link to online page and some kind of targeted things. Now in that case, I'm going to just provide a Word file. So I'm going to just file, just going to desktop, and the literature review, this kind of file. I will be providing this file here and just press enter, and now our hyperlink has been provided here successfully. Now if you click on this object, as you can see the dialog box, it is writing the desktop, the literature review. It means that the hyperlink has already been provided. Now if I wanted to open that hyperlink, before selecting the object, like go here and press Ctrl, and now press your object, and it will be open like that, as you can see here. So in this way you can provide different kind of hyperlink and extra information which you don't want to be visible in your workspace. So I'm just again going back to AutoCAD here and crossing it like that. And now if in case if I wanted to delete this hyperlink, what will I do? I will select the object, I will right click on my mouse, again go to hyperlink, and there's an option of edit hyperlink. I will go to edit hyperlink, and now I will from here I can remove this link. As you can see here at the bottom there's a remove link option, and now if I click remove link, the hyperlink will be removed. Again I'm going back here. As you can see, there's not an option of hyperlink command. As you can see, the dialog box only show the line properties, so there's not an option of hyperlink. So in this way you can use the hyperlink command. And that's it for today's video, and thank you.